Hello Karen. This video is a tutorial to show you where we can begin to build the course. I have called it Teaching and Learning Practice and Resources, but the pictures and any titles can be changed. I've used the 6 main areas, as you can see, that appear in your structure. I'm just going to minimize that, ignore that please. At the moment, we can see the pictures and there are no resources there. However, as teachers, we are enabled to turn editing on. And if we do that, we can then see what sits underneath each one of the headings. So for example, in this heading, Planning, you can see that I have created 2 sub-headings as per the structure that you attached and sent to me. So the learner or end user will only ever see these pictures, and when they click on one of these pictures they will be taken to the resources. But for uploading resources, this is how you can do it. Just as an aside and as a note, Karen, I know that you are using the Tutor Draw area at the moment for uploading and storing resources as you go along, and you can continue to do that. However, I'm simply going to be popping them from your Tutor Draws into this area. So if you felt confident enough to do so, you may want to just put all of the resources into this area straight in, and then you have full control of what goes in which section. However, that's a suggestion. So if you were to add the resources in here, Karen, what you would do is you would click on Add a Resource. Close that one again. Add an activity or a resource. And in my example, I'm going to show you adding a folder, adding a file rather. So click on File and click on Add. We're then going to give this file a meaningful name. I'm just going to call it a test document so that you can see how to do it. In this box here, you have to satisfy it, but the description won't be shown on the page, so you can just put something in there that's quick and easy for you. When you want to add the document, you simply scroll down and click on this one here. This will let us add a file. Upload a file. Choose a file. I'm obviously going to get a random document. I know that it's now clipped it to this placeholder because I can see the part of the file name here, so I'm going to press Upload this file. The computer buffers while it takes it from your hard drive or any disk and places it onto the Moodle server. Depending on the size of the document will depend on how long it takes to load. So we'll scroll down and we'll simply click Save and Return to Course. Now we can see that this document has been added to this area. However, I want this document to be placed under Creating Resources for Education and Training because that is a subheading. So I simply click on here, click and drag and drop. And you can move it around like so. And there we are. Okay, and simply repeat this method for uploading video files, adding links, URL links. I'm going to show you how to add a URL link now. So we're going to click on Add an Activity or Resource, scroll down, and we're going to click on URL. Click on Add. Type in the name of the web link as you wish it to appear on the screen. And then scroll down. And then in here you can copy and paste a link into this area here, or you can simply choose a link by clicking this button. Sorry, not actually going to be functioning on my laptop. So I would suggest that you open up a new tab if you haven't already got a link to put in. So click on any website, one that's specific that you want to upload. Copy this web link and go back and paste it in. And then scroll down, and we're simply going to save and return. We're not going to worry about any of these options. Save and return to course. If we now scroll down again, we can see here that this has dropped in. If I wanted actually to put it underneath this one, I could do so by moving it around. And then if we now turn editing off and see the view that a learner or end user will see, we'll click on here and we can see now that we have the documents uploaded under the main heading of planning and the subheading of creating resources for education and training. And then we simply close this off. And this is how you would upload documents to this particular area. In the email link you will see a link that takes you to the specific course area for you to upload and try it out. This area isn't public access, so you'll only be able to find the area by using the link contained within the email. You will have to be logged into Moodle. Please get in touch if you've got any questions, and let me know either way if you're going to put the resources directly into this Moodle course or if you're going to continue to put them into your tutor draw area. It's really your preference, it's up to you. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you.